How to adjust date and time in WhatsApp. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So if your WhatsApp is saying that your device date is inaccurate, then you're going to have to adjust it from your device settings. So simply go ahead and open up your settings menu. Once you open up your settings, you can directly search for date and time here. Or what you could also do is find general management on your settings and you'll find date and time right here. Tap on it. Now from here, if the automatic date and time is turned off, then you're just going to have to tap on the set time option. And if it is some random time like this, you could tap on done and the time will be changed. So if I open up my WhatsApp and send the message here, so let's say I just type in any message, it will show me the current time. But if I just go back and adjust my time to my current time settings, I'm able to change the date and time on my WhatsApp as well. So the time that I sent the message currently will now also be changed. So if I go back and refresh, the time is now changed to 11:51. It was 6:51 before. So that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.